Hello, today we will guide you through how to add HubSpot Live Chat to your website. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you're on the home screen. This is the main starting point where you can access all of HubSpot's tools, and from here, you'll navigate to the area used for customer communication features like Live Chat. Once you're on the home page, move your mouse over Service in the left-hand navigation menu. You don't need to click right away if the menu expands on hover. This section contains the tools related to customer support and messaging, so it's where you'll find the live chat setup options. From the Service menu, click Chat Flows. Chat Flows is the part of HubSpot where you create and manage chat experiences for your website. If you plan to greet visitors, answer common questions, or route conversations to your team, this is the correct place to set everything up. After the Chat Flows page opens, click Create Chat Flow. This starts the process of building a new chat experience from scratch. HubSpot may offer a few different chat flow types, so the next selections help define where the chat will appear and how visitors will interact with it. When prompted, click Website. This tells HubSpot that you want the live chat to appear on your website rather than in another channel. Choosing the correct destination here is important because it determines the setup options you'll see next. Next, click Setup Chat. This moves you into the actual configuration process, where HubSpot begins guiding you through the basic setup for your live chat widget. On the next screen, click Web. This confirms that the live chat will be used on a web page experience. In most cases, this is the standard option for adding a chat widget that visitors can see and use while browsing your site. After that, click Next to continue. This takes you into the final creation flow, where HubSpot walks you through the remaining setup details. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the chat flow creation. HubSpot will guide you through the available settings, and this is where you'll finish configuring how your live chat appears and functions. Take your time reviewing each screen so the chat experience matches your website and support goals. Once everything is completed, your live chat setup should be ready for use on your website. That's how to add HubSpot Live Chat to your website.